All right, traders, we are back. So far, the month has been pretty flat last week. We're almost a minute and a half into the open. Just wanted to show you my month so far. Now we're starting the last week of the month. Hopefully, we make our goal to be over 2,000 at the end of this month. So Fridays haven't been too well. I didn't trade this Friday. Started good on Monday, so we're looking to start good this Monday as well. So this is Mr. Profit. So come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. It's the most affordable trading analytics platform there is. So come check it out. I've created it myself. It's very useful. It's got me to profitability. It's helped me a ton. All right. So with that being said, we got a minute into the open. Let's see. We're looking at YAAS. The LPW also moving up. Don't trust it though. Low volume. Yep, low volume. USEG also moving up. I will trade this one. I think this one would be good. We have a quick target here, 150, which probably we'll get there very quickly. We'll see. It's not SSR. Good. Here we go. We're gonna take this 1 cent or 1 share. Okay, cool. I don't have a setup. Don't have a strong setup here. But I would take a dip down here. Here we go over 145. Hold up is 170. It's moving quickly. Sellers at 50. I'll take it here 48. Out. Nope. So try to get that continuation. Not gonna work. That was the first trade of the day. Looked very strong. Not gonna do it. LPW. Okay, we made that target pre-market high. Mm, 550 target on the LPW. This one wants to try it again, 154. But it got real choppy, so expect there to be choppiness. So what's going to be the deal here? We got a target on this of basically 188. Maybe it started to shake people out. If it shook people out, okay, never mind. So we're going to do this one here. 54. Low volume, I don't know. Don't know. Could be. This one here again. Alright, I gotta stay calm. Cannot be eager to trade so quickly. Don't want to throw away money. Really, ELPW. Can't trust that. I don't know if I could trust this. That's not good action, not good price action. We need something to be the one that's gonna start moving. That's gonna start making, some decent volume. It's a good range. It's got some pullbacks. Everyone's focused on it. That's the kind of trade. That's the kind of stock I wanna trade. Here is SGMT. Nope, the second I pull it up, it's getting rejected. This kind of rejection here all the way to 819 and then back to 88. Yeah, it's not gonna work, right? Facing a red gap. Probably not. One trade, one loss. I'll definitely stay patient. Looking for patience at the open. Okay. So now it shook everybody out. This might actually go. So waiting here, 143. They try to fail. It bounced very quickly. So we're looking for this trade, 43, full 43, 42, 44. We like this. We'll be patient. I have to stay patient on this because last time I got in a little early. Let's see what this next candle is going to do. Needs to start to prove itself. Few seconds left. It needs to hold 43. We got to start forming these gaps. These algos need to start stepping in here. 46. Dip. 44. Yeah, let's do it. 47 sellers. No. Oh, okay. All right, I was wrong. Yeah, I'm not touching that. Yeah, I'm not touching this. Okay. Not touching that. No thanks. I need to see more action on this. Keep going up. All right, we're seeing more action now. Looks like it's chopping its way up, but it'll be all right. So here we go. Let's see if I can get a nice dip. Dip that does not break the structure we got going on here. So maybe just a dip here to 50s. Likewise that we got some volume coming in here. All right, good. Okay, good, good, good. Okay. 56 there. Looking for a dip. Looking for a dip. Fifty, 60, 50, I'll take it. Might be a top of the gap here. Might not go to 56. Staying patient though. I want some bigger size here. Because this looks like a nice dip if it goes up down there. $56, come on. Stop is 50, there it is. In at 54, stop is 50. I like this a lot. Let's see this. Let's see this thing move. Nice. So we got that, some of it out right there. Looking for this to keep going up. Got some out, 62, 600 shares. Needs to hold 50 for me. I would add, let me reduce risk here. And I'll add down here if it goes lower. Oh, okay, I guess I was wrong. 64, there it is. So I try to reduce risk there because it might come down and I wanted to add a little bit more. Oh, okay. Let's see if we can get another dip. We might get another dip here. So let's see. Another dip to 50. So reduce risk right there. All right, I guess not. Cool. So, okay, here we go. I'll take a dip at 50. See how well that holds 50. I'm still in this trade, so 54. 54 is holding. What a great entry, actually. So, thank you for a great entry. It's having some issues here. So my stop is 50. Only got small size here. Let's see if I can get a nice reclaim. I'll add on the gap and go. Sellers are stacked though. Not a big fan of that. Hold 50. Back over 50. Nice. Okay, almost added at 50, but I wanted to see how well you're gonna hold. So I'm not rushing to add. 50, let's see. So 50 again. Back over 50. Got a whole 50. I'll do it here. Nice, excellent. In at 52. That was a nice pop. Went to 57 for a second. In at 51.5. The add was at 51.5. That was excellent. So here it's gonna be choppy. Maybe stop low the candles 49. Come on, give me a nice move here. Give me a nice move here, brother. Come on. Keeps going to 49. I don't like that. Don't like that. We'll scale out if I have to. Oh, there we go. Come on. We'll have to scale out if I have to, but come on, give me 60. So, getting the hang of this stock. 5 minute looking okay. I would like to see a move. We're in this gap. It's looking okay. I wouldn't like a dip though. Another dip, no. Ideally starts to go here. Brother, nice. Here you go. Nice. Nice. It's time here. It's time. Market kind of sucks, right? So I might take my profit here. Come on, but I want this to be the trade of the day. So you got conflicting thoughts, right? You got to take either you take your profit or I took some of it right there. I took half. Working with 1K. I got a bad fill 56. That sucks. Got a bad fill at 56. No, that's okay. Let me see if I can add 1K here. 56. Okay, cool. I took 600 out right there at 63. That's a better exit. Now let's see if we can get a nice move and not fail. So good. We held through that. Sadly, we got a bad fill on half. When we took half, we got it out at 56 when I wanted to get out like 59.60. Here we go. So let's see if we can get a nice push here. I'll add on a dip. The key here is to add on dips. Nice, 70. Dip under 62, I would add it. No chance for a dip, okay. Want to see if we can get a dip somewhere around here. 62. I'll take that 64. 59 is my stop. Kind of a flat stop, but that candle's not looking too great. Hopefully we got some buyers stepping in here as we got this momentum. I'll get out over 70. I added 64, so come on. I would like this to be green. Not a great stock for adding, huh? Not adding on the momentum higher. Definitely don't want to be holding here, but it seems to be bouncing, right? As it keeps going under 60, and it keeps bouncing up. Went to 58, 59, it kept bouncing back over 60. So that gives me an idea that it might actually bounce. Let's see. Let's see what this next candle wants to do. Thought it would hold this gap, but I had it kind of a little high. Okay, green, please. Let's get some green now. Goes to 59, but back over 60. 59, back over 60. Over 60. Over 60. No, I need to take this off. You don't bounce, I might need to take this off. Okay, good bounce. So managing this trade. Out. Okay, I'll take the $100. It doesn't want to do it. USEG. Sadly, my ad was awful. My ad was not awful. I think it was just stock. That was not giving a good bounce. So that's okay. We'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take it. All right, here we go. If we get a dip down here, that would be great. Dip under 40. Stop is 36. $45. Red to green. Let's just scale down here if I want to grab a gap and go. And so, what do you want to hold? 50, 49, 48. Yeah, no. Dang, that's a crappy stock. This held 45. Holding 45. Okay, looks like you're making a reclaim. And you're gonna hold 50. I'll wait for the next candle. If you want to hold 50. There's like construction happening outside my house. And hopefully it's not coming too loud through the video. Here we go. Dip under 40. Take that dip under 40. HTCO. $18. I like this dip. 5 minute would be great if we get a dip here. Dip under 40. Stop is 36. Sellers at 43. Sellers coming down. Full dollar 140 holding strong. 0 cent, not full dollar. Here we go, dip under 40. Fine, I'll take 39. Nice. 38. Even at 39, stop is 36. Please bounce 36. I need to scale out. I need to scale out. I need to scale out. Bounce 36, brother. Nice. And scale out. No, this is not working. Not working. Not bouncing. 600 left. It's taking too long to bounce. It's holding though. The second I bought it, it bounced over to 40, then it came down to 38. Ah. So I scaled out on that, reducing the loss. So after reviewing what I've done the past month, or the past week, and the past month, I realized that I gotta stick to my game plan. And my stop is defined by the low of the gap, 36. So if I don't get that break, so if it doesn't break, then I gotta keep holding. So I'm still holding. So I figured instead of getting all the way out, I would instead reduce the risk, you know? So we reduce the risk 2 times there, just keeping a small position here, see if it wants to move higher. And I can build on this without, that means I'm staying in the game, right? And I can build on this. And if this gives a massive move, you know, I'll add to my position. Ideally, I get in and I get a quick resolution, but that won't happen all the time. So this is better for me. Nope, no, out. Yep, out. Okay, cool. So this is better because the first exit was 36.5. Then second scaling out was 37, and only 600 was below 36, which was 35.5. You know, I mean, 3K at 35.5, that would have been pretty crap. So, so I'm gonna take smaller size here if it wants to. If it wants to get back up here, nope. All right, market kind of sucks. So 24 bucks, staying calm. SGMT looking to make a move here. $9 is pre-market high. Oh, I'm looking for a dip, huh? Sure, we'll get it here. 64. Doesn't look like I will. So, well, maybe I will. Risking about 60 bucks. Somewhere in the 60s, I'll get in. Stop is 54. I would like to see it in the 60s. No, not a chance for a dip there. Not a chance for a dip. Okay, good push. Okay, good push there. I'm gonna have to size down here, so maybe we can get the push to $10. I'm going to have to size down here. If it holds 9, let's hold 9. Minute 07, 5 seconds, hold 9. We gotta hold 9. No, doesn't hold 9. Does not hold 9. Dip right under 9. That's okay. So I'm banking on the fact that it's going to hold 9. Doesn't hold 9 in this respect. So the algos are not sitting at 9. Looking for a dip, but yeah, there it goes. 20 now. 30. It's hard to say what this is gonna do. I wish we would have seen a dip here. That would have been amazing. Go as low as 97. Barely. Barely stopped me out. We'll see. We'll wait for it there. See if we can hold 64. I would like to grab it in the 64s. The 60s would be ideal. The 60s would be ideal. Oh wait, well wait. I will wait. Here we go. 60s. There it is, 64. Oh, I got smoked. I got smoked on that dip. Wow. Okay, down 150. Wow, that's insane. Talk about getting smoked. I just got smoked on it. Jeez. And in the 60s, it fell, dropped like a hammer. That's crazy. All right, well, I guess that's gonna be a red day today. Aim the dip for that, keeping the losses tight, I guess. All right, looks like we got a interesting move happening here. He's not paying attention to this gap. Did not trust it. Here we go, 58. Could be a good spot, 58. 59. 61. See if we can get a dip under 60. Stop is 58. Under 60. Come on, dip under 60. 62's holding. I'll be patient this time. Some sellers at 63. See? One 60, 59, there you go. 60, okay, not a bad fill. 63. Stop is 58. Green. Green. Oh, come on. Nice. Almost got stuffed out, 58. A nice little bounce there. Hopefully we get a good move here. Staying put, a lot of selling though. A lot of selling, but it's holding. Come on, brothers. Let me get a good move. 58. 58 hold. Yes, 58's gonna hold. 58's gonna hold. 58 will hold. 58 will hold. Let's see it. Nice. Come on, 58 hold. It's a battle at 58, but it looks like it's holding. Getting stacked. Dang it. All right. Does not hold. 58. 53. Another spot. 53 for a dip. 54. I mean, it dipped here, so looking for a dip there. What a day, bro. What a day. What a day. $55 was that low. Dang it. Now back to 60. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Will it hold 53? 5 minutes doesn't look too great. With the whole 53. It's coming to 53. Beautiful there. All right. We want to see it hold. We want to see it hold and get the next move higher. $53 again. It's gonna break 53. There it is, breaking that. 45 could be a good spot. A little bit lower, 45 could be a good spot there. Catch a dip, you know? Trying to catch the D dip. It's gonna give me at least a couple bounces. 48 to 45. Let's see, 48 to 45. Might be a dip here if it doesn't want to sell off yet. That could be an interesting dip here. 42 is the low of the other gap, where it was pretty strong. I don't know. GMT. I don't know, brother. This has like so much resistance here, but after getting caught in a bad flush. I don't know. There might be something in the next 30 minutes. If not, I'm just gonna call it, eat the red day. I don't know. Is this gonna be interesting here? Like stop 40. I mean, if it goes to 40, I'll try to keep the stop pretty tight. But it'll be worth it if it wants to make a move. I mean, get shorts something to think about. All right, here we go. This one, 45. Wonder if it'll go lower. Hard to say. Oh, here we go, 50. We've seen a couple dips. I don't know which one to take. 45, 44. What's this low? 44? 45. 42 is that other low. Volume is light. Volume is light. Hard to say. Let's see, 45 keeps holding. 45. 46. What's it gonna be? I'm looking at these two. All those holding at 50. What's it gonna be? It's gonna give a dip and go. All right, let's see this one. I went to 54. I went to 44. 41. Nah, it's breaking 42. It gets back over 42. Yeah, that was good. I was gonna say, gets back over 42 and then did it really quickly. Almost got in there. Actually, no, it's still there. Wow, that was a great dip. Great dip. Excellent dip. Nice little gap reclaim at 42. This might do the same. Dip on this is 40. Let's see it. Some selling. No volume. Let's see. 40 is that low. How do you want to hold 40? Okay, good. Here we go. 51. 47. Is this the momentum shift we're looking for? Maybe. Hmm, hard to say. All right, watch this. I will get in here 48. I think we can get a nice move here at 48. So let's see if we can get in here 48 on the dip. UCAR. Don't know, man. I don't know about this. Um, subscription agreement with 10 purchasers at 164. So it's got good news. Now what? Is it though? Hmm. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. They keep going higher. I mean, if anything, there's a target at $2, 278. This has more volume though. Mm, do you have more volume here? Stop this 19. Okay, cool. All right. I was gonna take that 20. Very good dip. 32 now. Okay. That's fair. Fair trade. Grinding. I do like this dip a lot. I do like this dip here, 47, 48. I could get it here. VWAP is 47. 45 is that low. I would like it to hold. $45. Fine, I'll take it 45. Keeping it real tight. I thought I would expect a quicker bounce, 46, 47. 48, good. 47, 48. Come on, give a good bounce. I'll take it. Ah, I tried to take it 48. Oh, I got out 48. Okay, not bad. So got some right there. Just a quick little trade. Cutting this loss. Now let's see if I can grab another trade. Right, well, UCAR, let's see if you can get a little thing going here. Honestly, I'll take 600 shares. 26. I could lose a bit. 1,000? What do we think? 26 is not low. If I get a dip under 30, maybe. No dip under 30. All right, looks like we're moving. This is moving a little bit stronger. Stronger than what we had in the past. So this is good. This is good. 34 is not low. Let's start with 600. Come on, give me a dip, brother. Give a dip. How well are you gonna hold that dip? How well are you gonna hold that dip? Ah. All right, see if we can get a dip here now. 41 to 34, I'll take a nice dip. Could be worth a nice dip. Slicing up here, 41 to 34. Not getting the dips that I want. Not getting those dips. Not getting the dips. Bang. Not getting the dips. No, I have no business up here. No business up here. No business. Looking for a dip. I am looking for a dip. Uh, yeah, 5 green candles in a row. 5-minute green candles in a row. It's hard to say, bro. It's hard to say. Uh, Target is 278. So see if maybe there's a dip and a bounce I can get on that. 41.34 for down to 26. 26 is the VWAP. We'll see. Yeah, I'm not taking 1200 up here. I might take a little bit less. Let's see. Might take a little bit less. It might not work here. Might not work. $54. Might not work. If it holds 55, yeah, let's go. It's gonna hold it. Small size. Green. Needs to hold 55. Sir, you gotta hold 55. Well, yeah. Yeah, that's a difficult one. 54, actually. Supposed to hold 54. Oh, wow. Small size, too. And there it goes. It's hard to time it. It's hard to time it. I want to look for a dip instead. But it's not giving anything. So that's the problem. When it dips, it's probably just gonna just sell off. I would take a dip down to 26. If it wants to flush down, give some volatility. I mean, did not dip here. I guess here there was looking for a dip under 30. No. Here looking for a dip under 41, ready to bang it out. No. Also no. 56 again. Dip under 60. Oh, new 5 minute coming up. What's it gonna be? It's getting a little heavier up here. So this might actually be a dip. So now looking for that dip down here. 41 to 20 to 26. It's a big gap. I think it could give a good bounce. It needs a bounce. It needs a red candle. So I'll be ready to grab the lows here. $41 to 26. This area is the one I want. 41 to 26. It's dipping, 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 dipping. Hopefully not a hold down. Somewhere in the low 30s. $37 was that low. Massive volume there. Here it is, 38 again. So 38 again. $38. Okay, maybe a dip now. Interesting here. This level 36 to 41. 26 is an area where I could also pick it up. Stop at 26. Choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy. I needed a little extra dip here below 30. It's choppy. The 5 minute is holding there, but there might be a little dip here. Been holding pretty well. Hopefully, it could give a dip. Algos are picking it up right above VWAP 34, 34, 35. So it could be that it comes a little lower and we continue to pick this up. Or we go from here. It's tough. It's heavy. It's heavy at 40. So it's back over 40, okay. This thing will not want to fail. Here we go. Give a red candle down to low 30s. So we can pick this up. This trade doesn't work. I might just call it a day pretty soon. $48 here. Let's see. I'm not looking for this to flush. Looking for this to dip just a little bit under VWAP. No. Now we have this here. Are you actually? See if we can get a dip under 50. Dip under 50. There it is, 49. 49.50. Nice. Brother. Looking for this to be quicker. We got volume coming up here. Nice. Got out there 51.5. I'll get it out. Okay, cool. Took it out right there. I figured I gotta take my profit on this. Let's see. Do 600. I'm risking a flush, so I don't want to, I'm not sure if I want to risk a flush. All right, I guess no dip. I guess it was not a dip. So 41 here, small size, really small size, because if it's gonna go, it'll go, and I don't want to get caught here. So let's see. Fine, I'll take it 48, 49. So 200 shares? Yeah, 200 shares. I might take here a dip, see if it wants to be generous here, give another dip. Low that is 41, so 45. Just 200 shares, not much. I mean, I wanted this to give me a dip, but if it doesn't give me a dip, it's just gonna go like it's been doing before. So that's why I took only. Good buyer right there popped up. Let's go. Okay, cool. So now let's look to add here. Looking to add somewhere in here, 51, 50. Don't fail. Looking to add 50. Honestly, I don't know. I'm in here, the low this is 46. So there's a sort of a dip there. So holding 200 shares. Still red on the day, but trying to see if I can get this target 78. Don't have much size. Really don't have much size, so realistically, I probably should take this here over 60. All right, here we go. We might take this dip down to 50. Okay, no dip. 64, 65, 68, 70s. 70s coming up. 70 coming up again. Retry 70 again. Oh, that's kind of lame. I took it out right there. Oh, that was lame. I wanted to try 70s one more time. It will probably do it. Let me see. 63. Slicing up a little more. Get out of that. 58. Three, two, one. Stop of that is 63. Let's see if we can get a nice dip here. Nah. Could have taken it out right there. 69, almost 70. There were sellers up there. Ah, that's actually the best. I should have taken that exit. Okay, you live and you learn, I guess. When the market is cold, you got to take those exits. There's a dip here, 53, possible dip to 50s. 68. No dips, bro. 78. Still up here. Made its way back to the highs. Looking for a dip. Genuinely looking for a dip. Oh, nice. 70 there. We're gonna try to break 78 though. So let's see if we can get a dip. What do we do here? Gotta be patient on that dip. So I want to see those buyers step in. Nah, not a dip yet. I've been having more of a better luck here on YAAS. YAAS. Bro. Here we go, 56. 54. Bro, these dips are you got a 5-minute gap here. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Are you gonna drop into this gap? It's 55 to 42. Let's see. 50 might be strong, so we'll get it somewhere down there. Barely dipped. Barely, bro. Oh, that sucks. That really sucks. Okay, 63, 61 is that high. So we're gonna have to look for this. Okay, never mind. 56, the low that is 53. Did we say this was 42? Bro. It's not big, man. Here we go, 54. I'm expecting volatility, and there doesn't give much volatility. Hmm. Big seller at 50. I'll take it 48. Ah, yeah, yeah. I'm in at 49. I had a feeling something like this would happen. I'm at 49. Uh, okay. Okay. Don't like 49. So got out of there. Might have gotten out right when it was gonna pop back high, but I got in 49 a little too high, thinking it was just gonna be right under 50 and back over. We'll see. Anyway, no luck on that. It's been pretty tough for me to play my edge on it. So here we go. This has a better move here. 52 is low. 55 to 52. Could we? Could we see it? Fine, I'll take that. Bro, you gave me 55. Uh, don't like 55, but this is gonna have to do for now. Stop is 52. Probably take half off here just to manage this risk. Manage that risk. Yeah, I'm gonna get out here. I think I'm done with the day. Might be done with the day. All right. Ended up losing a little more. Doesn't work. All right, here we go. What can I say? It's been a tough market, man, and I think I just gotta take the small green, brothers. I just gotta take the small green when the market is slow. Just take the small green. Fine, down 130, okay. Um, up 90, just take the green. Okay, I did take the green. Okay, good for me here. Okay, fine. Max loss. That's okay. We traded less. That's okay, fine. We gotta take the green here. We gotta take the green. We gotta take the green and walk away. Today, we gotta take the green and just walk away. Walk away. Ain't the day. It is not the day. Down, down, down. Let me get rid of that trade real quick. This is what I do. I have test trades, so I go back here and I just get rid of them. So it doesn't affect my stats, you know? So we go back here. Yeah, so accuracy 38%. Man, it's just been tough, tough. It's the fact that it just got caught in this bad trade right here. Looking for an awesome dip with a beautiful bounce, but no, I got smoked on that. And ever since I took that loss, it just was not great. Not great. Yeah, not great. This was a great winner. This was indeed a great winner. So I got in here, scaled out as it was not working. Oh, I scaled out too soon, bro. It sucks. I scaled out too soon. Added here one more time. Good play. This is such a good play on my end. Sold right here, 57, 63. Added 64 as I saw a big push. Sold some here, 56. Oh, yeah, yeah. So scaled out on this. Then I Added here at the bottom of the gap, beautiful. Then scaled out right here, 56, but I should have waited, bro. Ugh. Waited like 30 more seconds. Anyway, fine. Scaled out a little bit more, 63. Then I noticed, okay, we might actually make it over to, $2. $2 is in sights. Our target, I think, it was 188 or so. What is our target? I don't remember. I do not remember. I saw this one come all the way up to 77 and then came all the way back down. And I think I took it off there. I actually added, no, I added on the dip on that gap and go. Notice that it just started to fail, so I just got out right here, 57. So 157 on this, not bad. This is a beautiful trade, a well managed. If this was a bounce, man, it would have been such an amazing trade. But these are the kind of trades I want to do more of. So I gotta put this in my mind and say, okay, these are the kind of trades I want to do more. Scaling in and out, managing that position. It's going to be beautiful. Anyway, then we got another trade right here, just a small scalp off the lows. No conviction on this. I really didn't think it would do much. Whatever. Anyway, then we USEG. Did we try this? Yeah, I think we tried this. Oh, I tried a dip, get caught on the dip, scaled out, scaled out. Yeah, scaled out, and I was like, okay, it's not gonna work out. Down 87 there. SGMT. Yeah, I tried it once here. Little loss. I was hoping it would hold 9. It didn't hold 9. It went right below. It stopped me by 3 cents. It went as low as 97. So got out thankfully just right at 9 basically, but bounced and they went higher. So that's part of the game. You get stopped out. Anyway, then I try to go for a dip. But man, this thing just broke me. 30 cent loss. Not great. 30 cent loss. That's all right. Anyway, so that's it for me today. Candler is looking weak. Been tough the past week. Tough today again. I just got to take the small winners. Hopefully tomorrow we get a good green day with maximum profits for the rest of the week. That would be amazing. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try it for free. It's a free trading analysis tool. Just give it a try. Select a broker, import your file for today, and check out your stats. You'll get this view right here. Join us for $5 a month, 50 a year, the most affordable analytics platform there is. So come check it out. And yeah, join us on Discord. We're growing the community there. So if you want to hear call outs, if you want to talk to other traders, come check it out. Um, and if you have questions about Mr. Profit, just hit me up as well. So $5 a month, 50 a year. And I'll see you tomorrow with better trading, better momentum. Let's hope. All right, bye bye.